To update weekly off in bulk. First, log into the cloud portal. Go to the Attendance menu and under the Import submenu, click on the Weekly Off Import option. Download the sample week of import file from the upper right-hand corner of the screen and prepare the Excel sheet accordingly. Select Settings or Add It, and fill in the details such as starting-ending row, from date and to date in the respective fields. Map the components to the Excel column according to the sheet you prepared to upload. Unselect the checkbox of Insert Without Replacement to remove old weekly off. Then click on the Save Settings button. Upload the file in the Import Template field and click on the Upload button. The weekly off details will be uploaded.